Alright, how are we all doing? It's Sunday afternoon. I thought, what the heck? Maybe I'll do a little short video on some of my recent pickups. Got my coffee here. A lot going on in the news today. Let me just take a Sal Salavante slurp here. Nice fresh cup of Joe. You can't beat it. Did get some good deals recently on the American Silver Eagles you see here. It would be a deal hard to beat anywhere else if you're looking now. But I actually bought these a couple weeks ago from one of those wonderful magazine deals you sometimes see through Universal Coin and Bullion. I've been doing that a lot over the last year, and you know, a company like that can be a little bit of a hassle to deal with. You have to mail a check, which I don't really mind, but I think, so you're all wondering, what did I pay? $16.50 a pop, no tax, free shipping. All 2019 American Silver Eagles. So that's hard to beat. You know, when I bought it, spot price was pretty much at $16.50. Anytime you're buying Eagles at spot, brand new. I mean, they put them in coin capsules. Excuse me, hard to beat that. Probably my favorite bullion coin. I've been stacking for a while, and you learn as you go. I kind of wish I'd stacked probably more heavily on the Eagles. I mean, it's all silver, but they're definitely an amazing coin. I love everything about these, the matte finish. I kind of like the fact that they don't go crazy with the security features. They're more traditional, unlike what you see on the modern Maple Leafs or the Australian kangaroos. I mean, don't get me wrong, those coins look okay, but these ones look like a coin that could have been in commerce, a silver trade dollar. This is American pirate booty treasure right here. So what else did I get? I've been looking into these for a while, trying to see if I could find any. Very interesting coin. These are the Balboas from Panama. They have a nice reverse. I believe it's Liberty, maybe? Lady Liberty. Not 100% sure. I'm not an expert. Like a lot of the Mexican coins, it does say the fineness. 900 fine. I don't know if that's focusing right. The purity. Actually says in case there's any doubt whatsoever, it says how many grams it is, you know. Right there, lay. 900 fine. And what's interesting about these is that they're the same diameter, pretty much identical to the United States coinage, same characteristics, same fineness, same weight. And I've heard some of them were minted in Philadelphia, so even the same mint. Really unbelievable. And there's other people who have done better videos about these on YouTube, so you can go check them out. But I guess they had a dual currency system. They might still do that to this day, where you know the Panamanian Balboas were floating around along with American money, and they were interchangeable. And you know what? If they have the same fineness, why not? I also picked this one up off of eBay. It's a little bitty Balboa Dime. Very fascinating coins. There we go. And same size as the Mercury dime. Well, any dime. But yeah, I just thought those were pretty cool. Pretty cool indeed. So, so we got those. There was also this one. They made the larger ones, the $1 pieces, a little bit after 64. This is I guess a 68. Changed the reverse a little bit. Oops, got it upside down. But pretty cool coin. These were more for collectors. These ones didn't really go into circulation, and from what I read, it was one of the silver companies was kind of selling these in mint sets. Might have been like the Franklin Mint or one of those type companies. They were ordering proof sets. I think they're being made in the United States. They didn't really ever go to Panama, as far as I can tell. And they were all proofs, proof only. But again, I'm not an expert. Pretty cool though. This one was 1947. Very cool coin. Very, very cool. It's got that same aspect as the United States coinage. Upside down when you flip it. Very, very nice. Looks like I just figured out how to focus, so there you go. Can you see? Can you guys read that? Let's see. Oh, look at that. Can you read that? Alright, I know this video is kind of getting long. Where are we at? We're at 7 minutes. Some of my recent pickups, I've also picked up some more Libertads. Can't get enough of those, right? If you get a good price on them. So, how the market's been doing? Well, the silver market's been doing great. The stock markets were down a little bit. Friday, everybody's talking about the trade wars, losing their minds about all these tariffs. Who didn't see this coming? I never thought we were going to get a deal with China. China doesn't want a deal. If China wanted a deal, they could have had a deal a year ago. I mean, all they had to do was a couple concessions, increase measures against stealing intellectual property, ripping off trademark infringements, and I believe they've always had tariffs on certain products going into China. So we're just trying to level the playing field. All I can say is it wasn't a big surprise. You know, maybe President Trump flipped out a little bit too much on Twitter, but I don't think that's going to be the end of the world. It'll probably be some increased volatility Sunday night, tonight, Monday, perhaps. But I don't think it's going to be cataclysmic over this week. What are you going to see? You'll probably see the metals keep rising, though. I don't have much else to add, so... Let's think. How to wrap it up. Any final closing thoughts? I guess just it'll be interesting. I'll be watching what's going on this week like everybody else. We got, oh God, what is it? Memorial Day weekend coming up here. So, I guess it does seem like it will be tit for tat, so we'll see if China fires anything more back, see if the escalations keep ramping up, but I guess we should just expect some more volatility this week, and probably rising gold, silver prices, and who the heck knows what will happen to something like Bitcoin. But yeah, why don't you leave your thoughts down below? Was that a good price on the Eagles? Who wouldn't buy Eagles at $16.50 in the last couple weeks? And what do you think is going to happen in the markets this week, tonight? We got the Federal Reserve, China, and Trump. The three amigos. Well, I'll leave it off there. It's getting a little long-winded. Hope everybody had a great weekend, and hopefully this week's not too rocky, but everybody take care.